Hi guys, Joe Pepper in the woods here, and we're out camping now. We're gonna do 3 nights, 4 days, and it's nice. We got the smallest tent here. I brought along a little pop-up tent, just to something to throw up cover because it's not supposed to rain or anything. So I'm not too worried about that. Took my gear with me. I'm gonna go through my bushcraft bag because I haven't been in that bag in ages, so I'm gonna have a clear out. I'm gonna put up the tent that's in there now, and then go through my kit and have a bit of a clear out as well as while I'm out here. It makes it easier. I got some standard stuff. Again, we have the smallest tent out here, very minimum. The area is not very woody, and there's loads of ticks in there. We pulled off a few already, so we're just kind of chillaxing. Now, Trudy's gonna try some army food because I only brought army food with us. So let's see how she likes that. Right, so I am having my Magnum drink here at 16%, 16.5 at 200 ml. I love these things, very nice. Trudy, what are we having here?
Meat sticks and rice.
Meat, sticks and rice cold, because she's hardcore. So she never had it before, so she's gonna give it a bit of a taster now. And you let me know. Ooh. Mmm. Let's show the camera. Can you see that? Yeah. Very nice.
Have a smell.
That smells alright. Right. So you have a bit of a taste, and then give me your honest answer on it. It tastes better than it looks usually.
Yeah. You want some?
Sure.
Want that green bit?
Whatever. It's alright.
Bit of meat? Oh, there's a big bit of meat. That's your meat stick.
Good? Like it?
It's definitely like reformed meat. It's not like proper.
That's alright, I like that. I don't mind that. But I like my Magnum bar. Right. Tomorrow we're going to do the whole mock-up of what I brought with me. Trudy is going to wash down her lovely drink with her Magnum. So I'll just drag her into the tent later on and put her to bed. But yeah, tonight so far, the only issue I had was with the Kelly kettle. I couldn't get a fire going for anything with it. I tried the polymath fire kit, some wax wood, some sticks from here, I don't know, but I had to end up using the Phantom from Polymath Products to just boil a cup of water for a cup of tea. So I'm gonna have to work on that tomorrow and go through my kit and see what I actually have in there. See if it worked better. I think it's actually the wood out here. I think it might have been too wet or whatever, but I don't know, I'll sort it out. But yeah, so stay tuned for that, and we'll catch up tomorrow. See you later, guys. Bye. Hey guys, day 2 now. So we managed to get a fire done and pretty easier. Used Hanger 51 fire plugs and some cold wood from a fire barbecue thing, and I got that going well. Continuing with our MRE Rat Pack meals. Trudy, what are you having today?
Apple and cinnamon muesli with milk.
Right. So she's going to try that. I'm probably going to eat some of the constipation biscuits and or something else. I don't know. I brought a few 12-hour packs and a couple of 24-hour packs, so I'm just eating a little bit at a time with that.
Yeah, looks alright. Can you see? So you're supposed to add 100 ml, but I've got nothing to measure it, so I'm guessing. No idea. Maybe a bit more. I'll have it too soggy. And then you're supposed to leave it for a minute before trying it. I'll see that up so I don't get no bugs in it.
So she's going to get on with that. I'm going to try to find some biscuits and we'll get back to you.
So this is what it looks like. Just normal, muesli kind of. I think I've put just about the right amount of milk in there, water in there. And here it goes.
Yeah.
Not bad.
So far, it's been pretty good, isn't it? I mean, it might not look nice, but it tastes alright.
Yep, fill a hole. Breakfast.
Right, I'm gonna have a blueberry turnover, and then if I'm still hungry, I'll do a couple of snacks, but I'm saving the big stuff for later on. But yeah, that's it. Now I'm gonna enjoy some cup of coffee, and then we'll get down to my bag. I'm gonna have a bag clear out in a minute, and see if they need to take out of there, or if he needs fixing, this kind of maintenance kind of thing, because I haven't been in my bushcraft bag for a while, so I'm just gonna have a look. See you guys later. Bye. Hi guys, us again. So never mind my marshmallow cooking fork, so I don't burn myself. That's alright. We got the kettle working better now, but we were struggling in the beginning, but we got it going now pretty good. Good combination of wood and stuff. So next on the menu is sweet and sour chicken. So neither of us had this before, so we're gonna have a bit of a taste. So Trudy, how did you make this?
Just take the top off, pull out your little sachet, and you put 350 ml of water, or boiling water. Yeah, boiling water up to the line A, or 350 ml, and then give it a good stir. Fold it over and leave it for 10 minutes.
Easy enough, isn't it?
Yeah. Give it a bit of time, a bit like pot noodle. No problem. That's it. That'll do. Give it a stir, root around. You can smell the fire.
I'll move that in a minute.
It's looking quite sloppy, so I hope that once it's done its stuff. Oh, it's got little resealable things, you don't have to fold it over. There, leave it for 10 minutes.
Cool. So well that's settled now, and then we'll show you in a minute or 10. All right, food's ready now, so let's see how it is.
A little bit sloppy. Probably put less water in next time. Surprisingly, it's good. You want to try some?
No, I'll wait a minute.
Sure.
Looks good though. Cool. So so far we haven't really found anything you didn't like of the army food so far.
The jerky.
Yeah, the jerky was off. Oh my god. I'll put some. Basically, you had beef jerky, but there was a little slit which I didn't see in it. And I don't know how long it's been like that for, but it was rancid, really, really bad. So as soon as you opened it, you had like a smell of rotten meat hit you in the face. So I was like, oh, like that. We had to put it in a Ziploc bag and then bin it because it was really bad. But yeah, other than that, the cheese was really strong.
Yeah.
The cheese and cracker, that was really strong.
Surprising.
Yeah, that was. That made your face kind of go like that.
I was expecting more like dairy leaving. That was like that was like that squares of cheese. You can get the processed cheese put in a burger.
Yeah. So we're gonna have sweet and sour chicken. Then we're gonna have some chocolate pudding and chocolate sauce. So yeah. So just giving you guys little tips, here and there, and what tastes nice and what doesn't. So if you do get a rat pack with these options in there, at least you know some of it tastes nice and some of it doesn't. So we'll keep post tomorrow, and we'll put some more vids up soon. Thanks. Bye.